Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Are the top 10 most educated countries in the world, including a general overview of their education systems and potential job visa policies for international workers. 1. Canada. Canada consistently ranks among the top countries for education due to its high standard of universities and a robust education system. Its education system promotes inclusivity, providing accessible learning opportunities from primary to tertiary education. In 2025, Canada will likely maintain its position with a large portion of its population holding tertiary education degrees. The country's post-graduation work permits allow international students to stay and work in Canada after completing their studies, offering an easy pathway to permanent residency through the express entry system. Canada's employment opportunities in sectors like tech, healthcare, and engineering are expected to remain high for foreign professionals. 2. Finland. Finland has long been recognized for its innovative approach to education, emphasizing creativity, critical thinking, and student well-being. Finland has one of the highest levels of education in Europe, with a focus on equal access to education for all, regardless of socio-economic status. In 2025, Finland will likely continue to lead in educational outcomes. For foreign professionals, Finland's work-based residence permit allows non-EU citizens to work and live in the country, with industries such as technology, healthcare, and teaching offering various opportunities. The EU Blue Card is also available for highly skilled workers, facilitating easier mobility within the European Union. 3. South Korea. South Korea has one of the most competitive education systems globally, with a strong emphasis on high academic standards, particularly in mathematics, science, and technology. The country's universities are highly ranked globally, and it has one of the highest literacy rates in the world. In 2025, South Korea is expected to remain at the forefront of educational achievement. For international workers, South Korea offers A7 visas for professionals in specialized fields, such as IT, engineering, and natural sciences. Additionally, foreign students can apply for D2 student visas and remain in the country post-graduation with opportunities to switch to a work visa. 4. Denmark. Denmark's education system is known for its focus on research and innovation, and its higher education institutions are among the best in the world. Denmark offers free education for EU, EEA students, and many of its universities attract students from around the world. In 2025, Denmark will likely continue to produce highly skilled graduates, especially in sectors such as engineering, IT, and design. Denmark's work permits are available for skilled workers, and foreign nationals with a job offer in certain sectors can apply for a residence and work permit. The positive list system is designed to facilitate entry for workers in demand sectors. 5. Sweden. Sweden is known for its high-quality education system that encourages independent learning and creativity. Its universities rank among the best globally, and Swedish society values research and innovation. Sweden is expected to remain in the top 10 most educated countries in 2025. For non-EU international students, Sweden offers a study visa that allows graduates to stay and search for work after completing their studies. Sweden's work permits cater to skilled professionals, and the Swedish Migration Agency processes work visas for those with job offers in various industries, including technology, health, and engineering. 6. Switzerland. Switzerland is renowned for its top-tier education system, particularly in fields like business, medicine, and engineering. Swiss universities consistently rank highly on global education lists. In 2025, Switzerland will continue to attract international talent with its emphasis on excellence and innovation in education. For foreign nationals, Switzerland offers L permits for short-term employment and B permits for longer-term stays, depending on the contract. The Swiss federal law on foreign nationals also provides pathways for highly skilled professionals to work in Switzerland, especially in sectors like finance, healthcare, and technology. 7. Germany. Germany is one of the world leaders in education, with its universities known for offering strong programs in engineering, sciences, and technology. In 2025, Germany is expected to continue producing top-tier graduates, especially in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. Germany offers student visas to international students, allowing them to work part-time while studying. After graduation, students can apply for an 18-month post-graduation work visa to find a job related to their field of study. Highly skilled professionals can apply for the EU Blue Card or German work visas for sectors with high demand. 8. Norway's education system is well regarded for its emphasis on independent thinking, innovation, and social equality. Its universities consistently rank highly, particularly in research and technology. By 2025, Norway is expected to remain one of the top countries for education, with a well-educated population. Norway offers student visas that allow foreign nationals to stay and work part-time while studying. Upon graduation, international students can apply for post-study work permits to search for full-time employment. Norway's skilled worker visas are available for those with a job offer in high-demand sectors like engineering, IT, and healthcare. 9. Australia's education system is highly regarded, with its universities attracting students from all over the world, especially in fields like business, medicine, and engineering. By 2025, Australia will remain one of the top destinations for international students. The Subclass 485 visa allows graduates from Australian institutions to stay and work in the country temporarily after completing their studies. Additionally, Australia has a general skilled migration program, which allows skilled professionals in fields like healthcare, engineering, and information technology to apply for permanent residency based on their qualifications. 10. Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for its high-quality education system, which places emphasis on innovation, critical thinking, and an open, globalized approach to learning. Dutch universities offer top-notch programs, particularly in technology, economics, and international relations. In 2025, the Netherlands is expected to continue being a leader in education. The country offers a search-year (Zoekja) visa for international students, which allows them to stay for a year after graduation to find a job. The highly skilled migrant program provides a pathway for foreign professionals to work in the country, especially in the tech, engineering, and finance sectors. In conclusion, the most educated countries in the world in 2025 will likely continue to be those that prioritize access to quality education, research, and development. These countries not only offer top-tier education systems but also provide attractive job visa options for international workers, making them great destinations for skilled professionals and students alike. Thank you for watching this video.